Today, I'll walk you through how to change Cloudflare name servers to your hosting name servers, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to update your DNS settings so you can ensure your website runs smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. If you're unsure how to access it, simply log into your Cloudflare account and you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is your control center for managing your website settings. Next, look at the left sidebar. You'll see an option labeled DNS. Click on that and a drop-down will appear. This section is where you can manage all your DNS records. Think of it as the address book for your website. Now, click on Records. This will take you to the area where you can view and edit your DNS records. Here, you can see all the existing records associated with your domain. Once you're in the Records section, look for the blue button that says Add Record. Click on that. This is where you'll start adding the new name servers for your hosting. Now, it's time to fill in the information. You'll need to type in the type of record you want to create, the name, and then the IP address of your hosting server. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. After entering the required information, click Save. This will ensure that your changes are recorded. Next, we need to add a second record for the www subdomain. This is important for ensuring that visitors can access your site regardless of whether they type in www or not. For this second record, you'll choose the type as CNAME or A. In the name field, type www. For the target or content, you can use @ or your server IP. This tells Cloudflare where to direct traffic for the www version of your site. After filling in this information, make sure to save this record as well. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Cloudflare name servers to your hosting name servers. This process is crucial for ensuring that your website is properly connected to your hosting provider. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.